So today we're doing a really fun job. My snowmobile, I have a Skidoo 900 Ace 2020, and my husband was a really nice guy and let me buy a really pretty wrap to put on it. So I have the professional helper here. Yeah, the professional right there. Who got suckered in with a haircut. Hey, I'll cut your hair if you help me take the stickers off.
Do you need these same numbers?
Nope.
Nope. You don't have to keep them anymore.
Okay.
Yep, we can just peel them off. So he's over here working hard while I sit here and hold the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna get to work, don't worry. So we came in the house to look at the diagram to see how many stickers, like where we're gonna place them and all that. This is the long thing panel of stickers. Holy crap! All of those.
Do you have scissors?
Gotta go on my sled.
Just cut this off right here so we can take the diagram.
Yes,
out
we
there.
can do that. We will do that. What did you just tell me?
You need a 50-foot table.
What did you tell me before that?
Oh, that I got shafted on the haircut deal.
He said this is more than a one haircut type of job. I don't know. I'm feeling pretty good about my bargain. I'm a pretty good bargainer. I may have to feed him some more food.
Sizes for that one.
The further we get into this job, the more of the sled we have to take apart. Nolan is thrilled. So our supervisor was getting in the way, and so I sent him outside, and I made him a little lawn chair with his towel to see if he'd find it. We'll see if he's in it. There he is. That's the supervisor right there. He was getting in the way, throwing his drool all everywhere. Yeah, we don't need that helping us stick. No, you gotta go lay back down. Sorry, I just had to see if you were obeying the laws here. Oh, he's so sad. Well, today I am gonna hope to finish up my the stickers, the vinyl wrap on my sled. It's been sitting about 3 weeks. I did not have time. We got a big chunk of the way, and we had a lot of it completed when we kind of signed off last time. But we have the whole under the pan underneath here to complete. All the stickers up here on the windshield still need to be done. There is the gas tank, and then there's a battery cover box here somewhere. And the biggest problem is there's all these stickers, and I know they're labeled, but some of them don't make any sense. So I'm going to have to like look at pictures and hope I can figure it out. And I got the supervisor here today. He's, get off there, silly. Maui, come here. Get off there. Get off. Up. I can tell I'm going to have to put him somewhere where he doesn't step on my stickers. Come here, buddy. Come on, let's go lay down.